Let us do the unboxing of MacBook Pro M3 Max in space black color. So this is the latest MacBook and it's launched just a couple of months back. And you can see the price they are quoting is around 4.6 lakhs and country of origin China and manufacture January 2024. And this is the old MacBook Pro, the good old MacBook Pro. Now let's open this box. So this is the MacBook Pro itself, and let's try to lift it up. It feels really heavy, and you can see it's quite thick, and it's in space black color. It's quite heavy, in fact. So let's keep it aside and see what else we get in the box. So here it's the adapter cable. So you can see it. This is the adapter one. So earlier we were getting only Type-C ports here. So now this is the I think the older MacBook. I think 2015-16 model. This kind of chargers used to come. So this is the cable. Let's see what else we get. And then we have, I think it may have some stickers. Yes, so it has Apple stickers. And then some instruction manual and the info about different ports. So you can see SDXC card slot. HDMI is also there since it's a thick laptop. So we will see these ourselves in the laptop. Let's keep all these aside. And then we have this power brick. So it will have again Type-C. Yeah, you can see here Type-C port. So this cable will be connected here. So let's keep it aside as well. And that's it. Now let's see our MacBook Pro itself. So this is quite heavy, and although it's a space black, it seems mostly like gray only. You can see this is the old gray MacBook Pro, but slightly darker. So this is the MacBook Pro, and this is the old one. Actually, it's quite dark. If you see from side, it looks more darker when there are no reflections. So yeah, it is dark, and this is not dark even from any angle. Now let's see the ports here. You can see the card slot, Type-C, HDMI on one side, then the charging port, a couple of Type-C and 3.5 mm jack, and then in the back side MacBook Pro logo. Then you see some stands. It was not there, or it was there but not that prominent. And then now let's open our MacBook. So yeah, it feels slightly thicker and heavier, and so it's almost similar size trackpad if you compare. Let's see. No touch touch screen here, so that touch bar is not there, and the power, and I guess there is a fingerprint sensor also. And let's get rid of this film.
हिंदी को प्राथमिक भाषा के तौर पर इस्तेमाल करने के लिए रिटर्न की दबाएं।
So now it will ask for some setup, so I will skip that part. And you can see here there is a notch on the screen, and it's nothing but just webcam here. So maybe this design could have been slightly better, but they have reduced the bezels on the side, so maybe this notch at least could have been smaller. And it's M3, so the latest GPU by uh, Apple, and it's 2 TB hard disk, and it's 40 core GPU and 20 core CPU. So you are already familiar with its display. It's a full 4K display, and you can even play games on it. Although there are not, it's not for not generally used as a gaming laptop. So that was a overall unboxing and first look at MacBook Pro M3 Max. So I will do the setup and use it, and then see how it performs. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.